and talk often.
Alright.
In prison, there's no day more special than Conjugal Day. Which sucks better? Throat scar or no throat scar? Twice a month, the guys in my barracks get to have sex with a woman. Sometimes with their wives, sometimes with their girlfriends. And sometimes with women they were meeting for the first time, known as letter writers. Special ladies who actually seek out incarcerated boyfriends.
You look different from the picture.
You killed your father.
Fair enough.
Yep, Conjugal Day was great. Unless you bit off a guy's earlobe and got thrown in the hot box, like Frank.
Earl, buddy, it's good to see you. Listen, you gotta go find my girl, Billy. Just tell her that I'm not blowing her off, and that I love her, and that she's the best thing that's ever happened to me, Earl. She's my angel.
Wow, you're, naked angel.
Yeah.
With wings tattooed on her most private angel area.
Yeah, and those wings cost me a fortune. Plus, it was awkward, and her brother was the tattoo artist.
Ah, that explains the love of your brother. I thought you were just trying to make the world a better place. Back at home, Joy was in her 8th month surrogating her sister's baby, and it was having a frustrating impact on her everyday life.
Your females hurt. They're so swollen, they look like hungry biscuits trying to swallow up your flip-flops. Yeah, well, I'm retaining so much water, I'm afraid you're going to try to swim across me to get your green card.
That wasn't a very motherly exchange.